Hello all, this is my first YouTube video, and basically it's about my life moving to the country with my two parents and my animals, heaps and heaps of animals. And I look like crap, and we're on the road, me and my mum, my dad's in front of us, and yeah, we've got the cats and the dogs and everything. So this is basically just telling you what's going to be happening in the future. A lot of farming. I've never done farming. I've never done anything involving with farming. I'm more of a city girl, but I'm moving to the farm. It's on like 30 acres and it's in the middle of nowhere. The closest town is about a 30-minute drive. So enjoy my YouTube videos. And if you like to see something, me doing something on the farm, like, yeah, post a comment. And I do have another YouTube channel if you've seen me. It's Miss Leah 1992. So I'll put that in like the link thingy. So yeah, so see you all soon whenever I make a new YouTube video. And no, might be today, might be tomorrow, might be when I start making a garden. And I hate bugs, so I'll scream. So yeah, see you soon. Mwah. Love ya.